Morning, Paul, Kilo Juliet 5 Golf, Kilo. Today, I'm heading out to do a couple of POTA activations at two new state parks that I haven't yet been to. First is Sycamore Point State Park, US-2360, and the second one will be Palmetto Island State Park, US-2327. I do believe I'll get those references right later on in the video. But anyway, why don't y'all come along? Well, we've arrived at Sycamore Point State Park, and this is the beautiful view. I mean, it is an absolutely beautiful location right here on the Gulf of America. And so we'll be setting up, I think, under that picnic, covered picnic table right there. And we'll get our setup going and get on the air. Y'all come along. The antenna set up. Got the 17-foot Chameleon on the Wolf River coil tripod. I've modified the tripod with some PVC, as you can see, to make it a little wider base and a little more stable. And I got my radials out, and she tuned up quite nice, as you'll see on the SWR suite. Okay, so here's the setup. We're under this nice picnic pavilion, so we're out of the sun. I got the antenna deployed out there on the beach, Gulf of America right in front of us. What a beautiful view, huh? What a beautiful view from this park. It's unbelievable. Never been here before, but this is a beautiful spot. Sycamore Point State Park in Louisiana. And this is the setup. Got my Yaesu FT710 ready to roll with the eco-worthy 12.8 volt 20 amp hour battery. Got a little water there, microphone in the box, computer for logging. So let's get this activation started. Is the frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Is 28.330 in use. Kilo Juliet 5 Golf, Kilo. QRZ, Kilo Juliet 5 Golf, Kilo. QRZ, parks on the air, 2360, US 2360.
Mike.
Station ending Mike.
Kilo Echo 2, Charlie Uniform Mike, USL.
Roger, Kilo Echo 2, Charlie Uniform Mike. It's Richard in New York. Richard, how are you today? I've got you beautiful 5'9".
Thank you for that 5'9". You are a 5'9" also in Central New York.
Roger that. Thanks for New York. Thanks for hunting today. 73. This is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf, Kilo QRZ. The Kilo Foxtrot station again. Kilo Foxtrot, try again, please.
Kilo Foxtrot 0 Golf Yankee Golf.
Kilo Fox 0 Golf Yankee Golf. Richard in Minnesota. Richard, I got you 5'5" in the park, my friend. 73, Richard. Have a good day. This is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf, Kilo QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 1 Uniform Echo Romeo.
Kilo Charlie 1 Uniform Echo Romeo. Jeff in Connecticut. Jeff, how are you today? You're 5'6" in the park. Kilo Charlie 1 Uniform Echo Romeo. Did you copy?
3-4. Copy 3-4 in Connecticut.
Roger that. I do copy the 3-4 Connecticut. Jeff, thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate you hunting today. Have a great afternoon. 73.
73.
Kilo Juliet 5 Golf, Kilo QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, Kilo Juliet 5 Golf, Kilo, calling CQ US 2360 for Parks on the air and standing by on 10. Lima Whiskey 2 Delta Oscar, Lima Whiskey 2 Delta Oscar. Is that the full sign, QSL? Roger. Horatio, I've got you 5x2 here in Lima Alpha, Louisiana, on the Gulf of America, right on the beach, Park 2360 for Parks on the air, QSL. 73, bye-bye, Horatio. Have a good day. This is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf, Kilo QRZ.
Whiskey Bravo 3 Delta Juliet Zulu QRP.
Whiskey Bravo 3 Delta Juliet Zulu. Robert in PA, did you say your QRP?
QSL, I'm running 10 watts here in southeast Pennsylvania, and I have you 5.9 here.
Roger, Roger, Robert. I got you 5.5. Nice crisp signal. Nice. You're getting it done with 10 watts, my friend. Thanks so much for hunting QRP. That's a tough job. I appreciate you.
Thank you for activating out there. It's a tough job that you're doing too. Hey, thanks for activating.
7-3, my friend. This is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ. 73, Don. Thanks so much for hunting from Wales today. This is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ.
Kilo Juliet 7 Whiskey Hotel Sierra.
Okay, I had my logger completely mixed up. Can you repeat the call? It's Kilo, the Kilo Juliet station.
Kilo Juliet 7 Whiskey Hotel Sierra, and I got you 5.9 in Alpha Zulu. 5.9 Alpha Zulu.
Roger, Roger. I appreciate you hunting from Arizona. I've got Kilo Juliet 7 Whiskey Hotel Sierra. I've got you a beautiful 5.9 plus. Nice signal here in Louisiana, my friend. Thanks so much for hunting.
Sounds good, Paul. Thanks for being out there. Thanks for activating. We don't get Louisiana too often, so we appreciate it. KJ7, WHS 73.
Roger, Roger, my friend. Glad to get it in your log. This is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ. Foxtrot 5 India Lima Hotel. Is that a QSL? Roger, Roger. Jean-Baptiste, how are you today, my friend? I've got you 5.9 in the park. 73, Jean. Thanks so much for hunting from France today. Have a great day, my friend. 7-3. This is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo calling CQ US-2360 and standing by.
Charlie Romeo 7, Bravo Quebec Golf. Charlie Romeo 7, Bravo Quebec Golf.
Charlie Romeo 7, Bravo Quebec Golf. Is that a QSL?
QSL. You are 553 in Lisbon, Portugal. QSL.
Roger, Roger. Lisbon, Portugal. I've got you 5.6 in the log, 5.6 in the park. US-2360, my friend. Thanks so much for the great DX.
Hey, Charlie Romeo 7, Bravo Quebec Golf. Can you give me a call sign, please?
Roger, Roger. Call sign here is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QSL.
Okay, QSL, Kilo, Juliet 5 Golf Kilo. Back to you, 73.
Roger, Roger. 73, my friend. Bye-bye. Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ.
Alpha Juliet 7 Tango Mike.
Alpha Juliet 7 Tango Mike. Thomas in Utah. Thomas, extremely good signal from Utah, 5.9 plus.
Well, thank you very much. I've got you about a 5.6 here in the Utah.
Thanks for Utah today. Have a great day, my friend. 7-3.
Great day to you. 7-3.
QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air. Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo calling CQ US-2360 for Parks on the air and standing by. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air. Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo calling CQ US-2360 and standing by.
Kilo Foxtrot 7 Whiskey Zulu Kilo.
Kilo Fox 7 Whiskey Zulu Kilo. Fred in Arizona. Beautiful 5.9 plus.
Roger. Thank you. Yeah, you're a 5.9 plus here in Alpha Zulu.
Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate you hunting today. Have a great afternoon. 7-3.
7-3. Have a great activation.
My pleasure, my friend. QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air. Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo calling CQ US-2360 and standing by. QSL Pascal. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate that you hunting from France, and you have a beautiful day. 73.
Many thanks, Paul.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. This is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ.
Whiskey 6, Papa November, Quebec.
Whiskey 6, Papa November, Quebec. Oscar in California. Oscar, great signal from the West Coast today. 5-9 in the park here in Louisiana.
QSL also 5959 into Charlie Alpha, Los Angeles.
Thank you for LA today. Have a great afternoon this afternoon. And 73, my friend.
73.
QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air. Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo calling CQ US-2360 for Parks on the air and standing by.
November 3 Whiskey Radio.
November 3 Whiskey Radio. Ben in Pennsylvania running mobile. I got you 5-5, Ben.
QSL Paul, you're about a 5-3 here in Eastern PA.
Roger the PA and Roger the 5-3, my friend. Thanks so much for hunting. Be safe hunting mobile. Stay safe out there. 73.
73, thanks.
QRZ.
November Oscar 70.
November Oscar 7 Sierra. QSL.
QSL in Louisiana, that's the park number. I'm in Arizona, coming in 5-9.
Roger that, Michael. I've got you 5-9 as well here on the beach in Louisiana. Thanks so much for hunting today. 73.
73.
This is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ. Kilo Mike 7. Is it Whiskey Hotel? Whiskey Hotel QSL?
Roger. Hey, if you can copy, I got you up and down. You're speaking at a 4-5 into Montana. 4-5 into Montana.
Roger. I've got the name is Sydney QSL.
Oh, I think you're fading out on me.
Okay. Kilo Mike 7 Whiskey Hotel is the name. Sydney. I got the call right?
QSL, that is correct.
Roger that, my friend. Thanks for your patience. I've got you 5-2 here in the park. Thanks so much for the hunt. 73. Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ.
Kilo 6 Papa, park to park.
Kilo 6 Papa, park to park, Rolling Ranch contest QSL.
One Kilo 6 Papa. I'm not sure what the rest of the stuff you said is. I got you 5-9 in park 37377 QSL.
Repeat the park number again for me, please. 37.
I'm sorry, 7377 QSL.
QSL, I've got it. 7377. No, I've got your call as Kilo 6 Papa, but my logger comes up as like a contest station.
Yeah, I don't know which one you're using, but one of them's got some old data in it. Yeah, I took this call over last month. Over.
Oh, Roger. Okay, well, that explains it then. But I've got it in my log right, my friend. What's the name there?
Chuck. Name's Chuck. How you doing, Paul?
Fantastic, Chuck. I'm going to put that note in my log, my friend. So I've got you in the log correctly. Kilo 6 Papa. I've got you 5x9 US-2360, and I copy your park as 7377. Thanks so much for the park to park.
Yeah, no problem. Just out of curiosity, what log program are you using?
I'm using a Smart Logger.
Oh, really? Wow, so am I. That's weird. I'm not sure. I thought he used POTA for Melissa. Well, whatever. We'll figure it out. Again, thanks for much work.
7-3, Chuck. Have a great activation, my friend. 7-3. This is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ. Kilo Charlie 3 Lima Quebec Delta. Chris in Delaware 5-9.
Roger, 5-9 both ways. Delta Echo 59 Delaware. Thank you so much, man.
7-3, my friend. QRZ.
November 2 Charlie Echo Mike.
The November 2.
November 2 Charlie Echo.
November 2 Charlie Echo. Andrew in New York 5-9.
Roger, I have you 5-7 here in New York.
Roger that, Andrew. I thank you for the 5-7. Thanks for hunting today. 73. Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ.
Kilo Delta 2 Tango Mike.
Kilo Delta 2 Tango Mike. Robert in New York 5-9.
QSL Paul, you're 5-7 here in northern New York. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you hunting today. Have a great afternoon. And 73 Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ.
Kilo Delta 3 Alpha Mike Delta.
Kilo Delta 3 Alpha Mike Delta Richard in Delaware 55.
Thank you. You're 55 in Delaware. Thank you. What's the park number?
Park number here is US-2360. 2360 QSL.
Roger. 2360. Thank you for the phone call. 72.
Thank you for hunting today, Richard. Have a great day, my friend. 73 Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo calling CQ from US-2360 for parks on the air and standing by.
Kilo Foxtrot 0 Romeo Uniform Mike.
Kilo Fox 0 Romeo Uniform Mike. Chris in North Dakota. Chris, nice signal 58.
After the 58, got you by 53, 55 on the peak. Thanks for the activation, 73.
Thank you so much for hunting. 73 QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo calling CQ US-2360 for parks on the air and standing by. Thank you so much for the park to mark, my friend. I'm watching a hang glider go right by my location here, so I had to pull my camera and take a little picture.
I don't blame you. I'm sitting in the park and it's raining over here, so I'm just sitting in the truck motor.
Roger that. Thanks so much for the park to park. Have a great activation. 7-3.
That is it.
Not a problem at all, Matt. I've got the park number here for you is US-2360. US-2360 QSL.
Roger, appreciate that. Thanks for operating on 73.
73, my friend. Have a great day. Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ. Okay, the park to park. I got 2 park to parks, so try again. Okay, let me take the Kilo Delta 9 first.
Kilo Delta 9, Romeo Papa Echo, 3 park your call.
Okay, very good. I've got you 5x9 in my park, US-2360. I'm standing by for your 3 park numbers.
Roger, Roger. I have 3 parks, 9814, that's 9842, 9830, that's 9830, 842, 38 Wisconsin.
Repeat the last one for me, please.
3238, 4238.
Roger, Roger. Let me see if I got them right. I've got US-9814, 9830, 4238 QSL, and the name is Gary QSL.
Roger, Roger, Paul. And I got your part 2360. I have you at the part of 572 the park here, Robert.
Roger that, Gary. Thanks so much for the triple park to park, my friend. You have a fantastic activation, and enjoy your POTA today. 7-3.
Yes, 7-3.
Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo waiting on the second park to park, please.
Kilo Delta 2 Yankee Lima
Kilo Delta 2 Yankee Lima Zulu. I've got Jules in New York. I've got you about a 5-2 in US-2360, Jules. Roger, Roger. I copy the US-2001 Adirondack State Park. Thanks so much for the park to park, my friend. You have a great activation. 73. November Yankee 4 Zulu Bravo. Did I get that right? Oh, I'm sorry. Repeat the call sign for me.
November Yankee 4 Bravo.
November Yankee 4 Juliet Bravo. Jim in Tennessee. QSL. Okay, I've got a lot of QRM on the band, but I've got you about a 5-1. November Yankee 4 Juliet Bravo. 5-1. 73, my friend. Thanks for hunting. QRZ. Station ending X-ray. I got the Michigan, but I did not get the call. Repeat it for me again slowly.
I'll do that. If it's the call sign, and it is Kilo X-ray 8 X-ray X-ray. My name is Mark. so that makes me the mark of excellence.
Roger, Roger. Kilo X-ray, 8 X-ray, X-ray. That's a lot of X's, Mark.
Yeah, I'm going to get to the ball at 2360.
Roger that. So my logger's not finding the call sign. Is it a new call by chance?
No, I've checked into I've done a lot of hunting here, so maybe we got it wrong. It is Kilo X-ray, 8 X-ray, X-ray.
Roger that. That's what I got in the log. It'll be okay as long as I put it in the log right. We'll get it straightened out on the back end. I appreciate you hunting today, my friend. 7-3.
I see TJ GKK from KX8XX. Bye-bye.
Thank you, my friend. Kilo, Juliet 5, Golf, Kilo, QRZ. The Kilo 7.
Kilo 7, yeah, Echo November.
Kilo 7, SEN, Neil in Arizona. Neil, how are you today? You're 5'6".
Hey, Bob, you're doing a good today. You're having a night.
Thank you so much for Arizona. I appreciate you hunting today. 7-3. QRZ. November 0, Oscar Tango Sierra. Is it Ralph in Kansas, QSL? Whiskey Bravo 8, Uniform Bravo Radio. Dan in Ohio, 5'7". Thank you for Ohio. Have a great day, my friend. 7-3. QRZ. The Sierra Yankee Sierra.
Yep, Whiskey 4 Kilo Yankee Sierra. Got you 5-9 in Kentucky.
Whiskey 4 Kilo Yankee Sierra. Is that a QSL?
That is correct. Whiskey 4 Kilo Yankee Sierra. 5-9 in Kentucky.
Roger, Roger. I got you 5-9 here in the park as well. Thanks for hunting today, Charles. Have a great afternoon. 7-3.
7-3.
QRZ. November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo, Craig in South Carolina. Beautiful signal, 5-8. 7-3, my friend. QRZ. Whiskey 2, Mike Bravo Zulu. Dan in Texas or Tennessee?
Tennessee. I got off there. I got.
Roger, Roger. Whiskey 2, Mike Bravo Zulu. Dan, I've got you 5-9.
QSL got you nice 5-9. Tennessee.
Thanks for Tennessee. 7-3. QRZ.
Kilo Alpha 5, Yankee India X-ray.
Kilo Alpha 5, Yankee India X-ray. Is that a QSL?
QSL, I have you in 4-1 in Houston, Texas.
Roger that, Mitchell. I've got you 5x7, 5x7 here in the park. Thanks for hunting today. 7-3. QRZ. The station with Charlie Whiskey again.
Kilo 9 Charlie Echo. That's your 5-7 in Southern Indiana.
Kilo 9 Charlie Echo Whiskey. Is that a QSL?
Charlie Echo Victor.
Kilo 9 Charlie Echo Victor. Curtis in Indiana. 5-7, Curtis.
5-7 Southern Indiana. Thank you.
Thank you for your patience, my friend. I appreciate you hunting. QRZ.
Charlie Yankee.
Station ending Yankee.
Kilo Echo. Number 4, correct. Charlie Yankee. 5-1 Alpha.
Roger that, Robert. I've got you, my friend. 5-9 here in the park. Thanks for hunting again today.
My pleasure. Thank you.
7-3. QRZ. Kilo 5 November Whiskey. Is that the full call? Is it Dwayne in Oklahoma?
Kilo 5 November Echo Whiskey.
Kilo 5 November Echo Whiskey. That makes it Jerry in Texas, and I appreciate your patience with me, Jerry, but I got you 5-9. QRZ. The Alpha Romeo November again. Kilo Fox 8 Alpha Romeo November. Chad in West Virginia. Chad, I've got you about a 5-7 here in the park. Thank you so much for hunting from West Virginia today. Have a great afternoon. 73. QRZ. November 8 Yankee Victor Yankee Delta. Lee in Ohio. 5-9.
You're 5-9 in Ohio. Appreciate the part.
Thank you so much. My pleasure. Glad I could get it in your log. This is Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo QRZ. Kilo 3 India Victor. Is that a QSL? Is it Richard, New Mexico? Roger that. Kilo 3 India Victor. I've got you, my friend. 5-7 in the park. 7-3 QRZ. Station ending Tango. Kilo Tango 4 Echo Mike Tango, Temple in Texas. I've got you 5-2 here in the park. Thank you so much. Yeah, we got a little short skip going on. I appreciate you hunting today. 7-3. QRZ. Kilo 3 India Golf Alpha Raymond in Texas. 5-7. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate you hunting today. QRZ. November 5 Sierra Mike Oscar William in Texas. 5-9. Thank you so much for Austin. Have a great day, my friend. 7-3. QRZ. Park to park.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. This is PO2 Bravo Tango Kilo. I'm in 5-7, 57 in my park call. Please copy understand 8352 QSL.
QSL, Jan, I believe the name is Kilo 2 Bravo Tango Kilo. I've got you 5-9 in my park 2360, and I copy your park as US-2360. Is that a QSL?
Yes, sir. QSL. And I know it is fancy, but it's just I'm named after a typo. You should be an out there ball and have a great rest of your activation.
That's hilarious, Jan. Okay, my friend, I got it from now on. When I see it again, I'm gonna know to say typo. But I appreciate you getting in the log. Have a great activation. 73. Kilo Juliet 5 Golf Kilo calling CQ US-2360 for parks on the air and standing by. Was it November 3 Whiskey Papa? Is that a QSL?
Whiskey Alpha, Gary.
November 3 Whiskey Alpha. It's Dempsey. Dempsey, how in the world are you from West Virginia today? I've got you 5-8. Roger that, Dempsey. Have a beautiful day, my friend. Thanks for hunting. 73. QRZ. The station with Alpha. Whiskey 5 Alpha Quebec, James in Texas. 5-5. Okay, so we just finished up the activation here at Supermore Point State Park. You can see the equipment here, and you can see the beautiful view that I had for the activation. There's the vertical. We ended up with 102 contacts. So pretty good day. And we're going to move now to Palmetto Island State Park if we can get over there and get that one done. So we'll have another one. Why don't y'all come along?